Hey guys, I'm playing red versus blue versus green versus yellow again today because you know I love that. Sorry, hold on, let me move my camera.
They'll still yeah. Hi.
Yeah.
How do you spell your mom's name?
Failed. Failed game ID connection. Ah! Can't play Roblox on this one.
How do you spell?
Hold on. Hold on guys, I'm checking my YouTube channel for him.
Because he's about to have 3 subscribers.
And y'all better subscribe. If you don't, I get to kill you.
I'm gonna subscribe.
Not you, these people's.
Oh, yeah.
My channel. Okay.
Eden. There. What?
What you just do, Dad? I think I might have done that actually. Okay, there.
Okay.
Hold on. Subscribe, Daddy.
3 subscribers.
Yeah. I think
It still says he has 2 subscribers.
Yay!
6 seconds ago.
Wait, hold on. Let me reset it. Reset.
3. Was that it?
Yeah.
Dude.
Did. Hold on, guys. Y'all are gonna be like, why is this taking so long? I'm playing this game. I'm gonna turn my sound up, y'all.
That is loud.
Yo, look how many coins I have on the left side. Look at my score. Look how much can
Yes, I can. I'm on this game right
you should like it. I wish you had
Oh, and the reason I'm dressed up is because there's a vocabulary for it. Not this cute. I like Sprite. You know how much I love Sprite? Well, I kind of messed up on Monkey. Okay, you still have hot chocolate.
Oh gosh, yes. How am I doing this? Bro, this is like impossible. How?
I know you saw him popping.
Oh my god! Did y'all just see that?
I just skipped a bunch of the level.
So did I. Yeah,
I'm not even supposed to be in the
Wait, your score is 2,328? Y'all already know. And my mom's gonna buy me something for $1 because I got money for my birthday. So I'll have what I could do.
And you got a ton of Minecraft Legos.
If y'all would like to see me play Minecraft, put it in the comment section below.
I had Minecraft Legos.
Yeah, mine too.
It used to work. How do you think it
Did it just turn black and gray?
Mine doesn't even let me run.
Oh. Shut up, guys. I'm gonna go show my friend. My game's
What
loading.
about mine?
Mine.
Why can't she do it? Mommy, help me open my phone. It's almost time. Okay, we got 2 minutes.
See, I'm gonna show y'all what it does now.
Okay. Minecraft.
Takes a little second to load, but it'll just pop up.
Yeah, mine does. Well, it used to. Not around the computer.
Nope, I'm playing this. But
Oh.
lag, massive lag. Sorry guys, that's massive lag. Yeah, I think it's back on track. Let me tell you what to do. Just go down to the bottom of your computer and do that. Or go up to the top and do that. Like, say you full screen on mine. Go up to the top, right click that, go to the bottom.
So can you go backwards?
You can obviously do it.
One hand that I closed.
You ain't close enough. Oh, now you.
Yes! That was a good run. Hey. No! I bet you I can survive and still get my cases.
What's that box?
I hate the boxes. Get your way on.
Is that what killed you?
Yeah, that's what just killed me. How can a box kill you? Yeah.
Brody, don't let that sit on me.
Jack, stop. Stop.
Yo, I want to show y'all how laggy this is. Now I'm going to Do you even know how to play?
I gamed it. I believe I can beat low school. I don't think I can.
You don't even know how to play. Bye guys, I'll see y'all another day.
Woo!